Hi everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we were invited to the Philippine Army Gym through our non-profit called Well Balanced World. We first provided a health talk about the benefits of chiropractic care, and then we demonstrated the power of the chiropractic adjustment. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and click on the subscribe button and the bell for notifications.
Yung may cycling to 10? Yeah. Kaya naman short to 10?
Oo. Bali, actually, sir, gawa na pala. Announce ko na lang. Sabihin ko na lang few more tapos kasi babalik na ba pala? Diba sa last? Sige.
Oh! Sige. Cycling. Meron ko na short spot. May blip ka. Basta lang ko sa'yo. Relax mo. Pakaipigat niya yung spot.
Face down na.
Ito lang din. Last maraming Hi, KFC Christine again, and I feel sorry for the chiropractic.
If you enjoyed this video, click on the like button and leave a comment below. We post weekly chiropractic videos. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and click on the subscribe button and the bell for notifications. There are more videos on our visit to the Philippine Army Gym. To continue watching another video, the one above here is the one I chose, and the one down here is what YouTube chose for you. See you soon. Take care and be well.